Hey guys, so I'm just going to get right into this little project. I started out by measuring the piece that I wanted to build the frame around. Took those measurements out to the wood that I got from Home Depot, out to my nasty, dirty garage. Just marked up the measurements that I needed, and I took it over to the saw and cut them down to size. You could definitely saw these down by hand if that's all you had. I just have this in the garage and it comes in handy. So I took in the pieces that I cut into my kitchen table. I wish I had a little work table to work on. Maybe I will um, try to build one at some point in my life. But I took some wood glue just to really secure the corners in case the nails that I use ever become loose or anything like that. The wood glue will kind of keep everything nice and tight and secure. Also, this corner clamp that I'm using is completely useless. I get rid of it in a minute. It was just more hassle than it was worth. I was trying to be like all nice and precise with perfect angles. I just kind of gave up on that towards the end. So yeah, I just add the glue, clamp it together, and then shoot it with some nails. You could definitely just screw the wood together. I've seen people do that, or hammer it if that's all you had. I just have this little nail gun on hand, and it made it nice and quick and clean. And I'm just making sure to wipe up any glue that kind of seeped out during the process, just so that it doesn't dry and get clumpy. So these last two corners I'm doing without that corner clamp. It worked out just fine. I didn't need it. If you really, really want to be sure and safe, definitely use something to hold those corners at a perfect 90-degree angle. I just didn't care. So it worked out for me, cleaning up glue here, and my piece is assembled. Now I'm just putting in this poster. It's a thick cardboard poster that my sister-in-law gave to me. Thanks, Lynn's, and I loved it, but I wanted a frame around it. And I'm just pushing it in just to make sure it was fitting right. So at Home Depot, I grabbed these wooden, I guess they're dowels. They're not round, they're actually square and super small, but I needed something to kind of sit in front of the poster so the poster didn't just pop out the front of the frame. So I just kind of placed those where I needed them to be. You can kind of see there, they kind of fit pretty snug, so I cut them pretty tight. And then I just popped out the poster so I could get in and tack them down with my nail gun. Then I was ready to put the poster back in the frame for good now, so I just kind of pressed it in so it was nice and tight against my little small wooden border on the inside. And then I bought these pieces from Home Depot thinking it would be big enough to kind of secure the poster from the back. I don't know what I was thinking. I just saw them and grabbed them pretty quickly. Yep, didn't fit. So I actually took some paint stirring sticks from Sherwin-Williams and chopped little squares out of it, and then I just use those on the corners to make sure the corners don't pop out. The poster fit really nice and snug inside the frame itself, so I know it's not going anywhere, so I didn't need anything major on the back. And then here I am just adding some picture hanging hardware. Those tiny little nails are so annoying, but we got there in the end, and that's it. It was very, very quick and easy, very unprofessional. I know there's better ways, more precise ways to build frames, but this worked for me, and it was very, very quick and inexpensive. I think I show you the receipt here. I spent like 15 bucks on the wood, and that was really it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little project here. Let me know if any of you actually try it out, but I love how it turned out, and yeah, I hope you guys are having happy holidays right now, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.